Hello everybody, welcome to the new RollerCoin video. Today I wanted to talk to you about the new hamster that just released. This is a special hamster in the Black Friday event. The hamster has base stats of 60 strength, 60 health and 40 luck. It has 20% extra loot and the speed is minus 20%, so it takes you 20% less time to complete missions. Um, as you can see, for me it sold out because I already bought it yesterday, but you are still able to buy it with Ethereum, Bitcoin or Dogecoin. Yesterday you were able to buy it with other crypto as well, but you're not anymore. So let's go to my expeditions. As you can see here, this hamster has a new ability, the ultimate activated. And what does this ultimate do? It boosts your stat to 100. So I activated it before sending it on mission, so all my stats are at 100, so that is the highest you can get. So let's look at the expeditions. I've put him on this expeditions, 48 minutes left on the expedition, but I have a speed up, so we're gonna speed this up so we can see what this new hamster's loot is like. Hopefully the loot is insane because it was a pretty expensive hamster. So let's hope the loot is crazy. Here we go. Claim all. And there we go. And the loot is nothing special at all. So although it has great stats, that doesn't mean you get great rewards as well. You always have to be lucky. This isn't bad, but I was hoping for a bit more since the stats of the hamster were 100. So that is a bit disappointing, but uh, that is what it is. We're just gonna put another hamster um, on a mining task. Let's go. One day and he's off. So that was the video I wanted to, this was what I wanted to talk to you about. Um, have you bought the hamster? I'm quite curious if you had better loot than me. So hopefully you can leave a comment if you've bought the hamster and did get a great loot, because I'm curious about the rewards this hamster is giving. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more content about RollerCoin, about making money or crypto online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and have a great day. For now, see you in the next one.